I'm giving you a sneak peek today of my public open house I have for tomorrow. I'm in a community called Parkside. It's a gated community in Prosper. And this home is at 810 Biltmore Lane with just under 3,300 square feet. This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath house also has a beautiful backyard pool. So I'm going to give you a tour, let you take a look around and let me know what you think, and I hope to see you tomorrow. I will be holding it open from 1 to 3, so stay tuned for more details. So what did you think? Amazing, stunning, right? Yes, all the latest finishes, light and bright, all on a 1-story in a beautiful 1/4-acre lot here in Prosper. Come take a look at it for yourself from 1 to 3 tomorrow. And there's gonna be actually 4 other open houses in this community. So come on by, I'll give you a map so you can see all 5 homes. I'll see you then.